welcome to another video. Today we're going to see how to draw a logo in Adobe Illustrator update version. So first you have to go to new, and then you can see now you have to make the inches to 1 inch and 1 inch. Make sure this is inchy. If it's pixel, make it inchy. Then create a design. So I'm cutting my before one. You can see you'll get this type of interface. Now I am going to choose the text, and today the logo is a text logo, so I am writing the GS for the logo. So I forgot that I really have to make that 1G, 1S. Can make them together. So I was just trying some fonts there, not that much beautiful. And try them. So I was trying, let's come after trying all the fonts, but they're actually not that beautiful as a text logo. But there is one logo, I see the gold logo. This is also beautiful. I delete the G as, then I am just writing G and then selecting the text again and then writing S, because G's size is smaller than S's one. I make it like that. So let's type S, and it's a little bit hurry, so I'm making it okay. Fronts. So I was thinking this font is enough beautiful, so I decided to choose this font. I was trying to make a geometric font at the end, like the S will be in there of the G, and I was trying that for a long time, but actually it will not look so much beautiful. So at the end I was finding some more options that it does really. Can I do it? As you can see. So I was like trying to do it. Now I can do it, but actually it will not fit my logo as I wanted to make it. No, it does not look like beautiful. So when I tried to put it in another place, it was not beautiful, and for that I didn't keep that. You can see it doesn't fit here perfectly. You can see. So I stopped trying this one, and now I make it a right as again. So if you use Adobe Illustrator update version, it's really easy to use and it's so much perfect. Adobe Illustrator download link in ICC FTP server, I will give it. You can go and just simply install that one. Now you can see there are so many fonts, but I don't actually like anything of it. I like the gold one, so I decided to keep the gold one. You can see the S is bigger. I'm selecting the font of G2, you can see. I'm choosing the text and then writing the full name of my channel, Graphics Squad. Now I'm selecting it and now making it smaller. You can see. And adjust it in the middle of there. I'm choosing the text again and then writing one graphics easy. Graphics Squad, but actually I'm not giving that much things. It's easy. Now my logo is complete. logo is already complete. Now you can see I'm just adjusting it in there. It will look more beautiful and formal when you give it a beautiful font and then make it the best font. So now you can see I'm just trying to do something. Now I make it so much smaller. Now follow me the export rules. Now you have to select, or you have to be in there, and then what you have to do is go to file and then export it. So follow me. I will not say any other words now, just follow me how to do this. Go to export and then export as. You can see there are 3 more options, but you have to choose export as. You can export for screen or save for web. It's depending on your wish. So now type a name, and then your type will not be PNG. Make sure that is PNG. Just press on the file type and then make it PNG. Now save it, and now you have the options to make it black background or white background or transparent background. So I make it a transparent background because it's a logo. So now I'm going to show. And you have to remember where do you keep the logo. Actually, I always forget that. Where do actually I keep the logo? Now I am going to show. If you choose the frame like that, then the logo will be small. I see that, but it's not so much effective. Your logo will be okay. And thanks for watching my video. Bye.